Hi, this is Dalia at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and in this video I'm just going to show you how I was aligning left chest to right chest in existing logos in garments. So what I had been doing was just measuring from seam on the top of the sleeve, on shoulder, and then doing the same thing on the other side to see where it would land, and then I would just grab a piece of tape and place it in there. And once I hold it up, sometimes it would be okay, sometimes it wouldn't, also depending on the logo. So what I had come up with was a jig in order to make alignments. So I'm going to be using the Hoop Master. I am just going to dress on the shirt as if I'm already hooping, and that way it would align it, and I know that I will be going straight. And this jig, I just marked where each of the corners will be, so I know I am going straight. And here I'm just going to line it to the bottom, and I'm just going to grab a piece of tape, place it on there, and then take it off. And here I can just see that it's going straight and it's aligned to the existing logo. Thank you.